Hey guys, it's Rhonda. Welcome back to the channel. To all of our new subscribers, hey, how y'all doing? Our current subscriber, thanks so much for joining me. So today, I am doing a quick little facial. Normally, I would do a facial at least twice per week, but I haven't done anything within the last year. I haven't done anything. No facials, no nothing. I'm gonna do this facial because I have a photo shoot that's coming up, and dude, I have to look 10 years younger. That's my goal. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this facial. Don't forget, I need you guys to support me by watching each episode from beginning to end, and just either comment, like, or share. You don't have to do all three. Comment, like, or share. And that's your way of supporting me, and I will continue to post these episodes. But I need love from you guys, okay? So that's so you can show me love and support by watching this all the way to the end, and leave the volume on and watch it all the way to the end. I know, because YouTube is sending me stats, so I kind of know if people are watching, if they're not watching, if they're kind of have the volume off, or if they're kind of, you know what I mean? So show me love, please, and go ahead and leave the volume up. Watch the episode, ladies, because, you know, gentlemen, go ahead and watch this episode. You know, you can give this to your wife, your girlfriend, your little friend. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? She'll be like, thank you. I love this facial. Don't I look great? So make sure, okay? So let's get to it. And yeah, my face does need some work. So this is just my face washed. I'm gonna bring the camera in. Not trying to scare y'all, but I'm just gonna try to show y'all what my skin looks like before. Here we go. Do it! Do it! Do it! I don't like close-ups and I don't like selfies. Okay, but here we go. So that's what we're looking at. So weird. Okay, so that's my skin. So I just washed my face this morning. That's all I did. Okay. That's it. So yeah, bring this all the way up. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this little amazing facial that I normally do. So I love using aloe vera. Aloe vera is really, really good on your skin. So not only is it good for dry skin, acne, weight loss, sensitive skin, I love, love, love using this product. I feel like it does a good job of really tightening my skin, right? And so I want my skin to look tighter, fresher, and young. So I just cut a piece of aloe vera off. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of peel the skin off, because what I'm really interested in is that slippery jelly consistency that's on the inside. That's what will do the magic. So that's what I'm interested in. So in order to get to that, I'm sure you're quite familiar with aloe vera. You got to go ahead and kind of remove the skin off, and then just kind of take your time and cut it off. I like to cut my aloe vera into cubes, because then this way for me it's easier for me to get it off. And also I like to scrape it, you know, scrape, so I can get all of that slimy goodness, because that's what I'm going to need in order to make this mask exceptional and to make it super tight. So I cut it into squares, and I'm going to go ahead and just comb it off the skin, for lack of a better word. I'm just going to comb it off the skin, get it all into my NutriBullet. And yes, this is what I'm looking for. This thick, nice, rich gel that we all know aloe vera is known for. So get all of the gel in there. I might be using, I'm not sure how much I'm using here, but just that little piece, that's all I'm using. Scrape everything off. All right, perfecto. Now I don't really want to use it like this. There's something else I need to do here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my NutriBullet, because I want the gel to be not so clumpy, but I want it to be a little bit smooth and runny. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it in my NutriBullet. Give it like a second or so. Zoom. Here we go. All right. I am using a clay with this aloe vera. I'm going to put the information for the clay in the description box. I bought this from Ross, and this is a pretty good, strong, deep pore cleansing clay, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and pour the aloe vera gel into a clean bowl. You want to make sure that the bowl is clean because you'll be putting this stuff on to your face. So make sure it is super clean. I don't have a specific ratio. All I'm trying to do is make sure I have enough aloe vera gel with the clay to create a nice consistency and enough aloe vera that will do the job of the tightening process that I'm looking for, okay? And then the clay is going to do the job of cleaning up my pores and also helping with enriching my skin and making my skin nice and soft. So I'm just making sure, I'm just when you do it, just make sure that you have that the consistency is not too runny, and make sure that it's not too hard or too stiff at the same time. Okay, so I'm mixing it up together. So this is kind of the consistency that you want. Just keep mixing it. Now it is the gel, so you know the gel is kind of, it doesn't really like to mix well with too many things. So you just have to go at it a little bit, and then it will eventually mix in there for you. All right, just keep at it. So this is the consistency that I have, and this is what I'm going to go ahead and apply to my face. But before I do so, I am going to go ahead and put my bandana on, protect my hair, because I don't want this mixture getting into the roots of my hair, my scalp, my forehead. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on. I'm not sure why I'm making this face, but okay. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and get my hands. My hands are clean, so I'm going to go ahead and just get some of the mixture. And I'm going to just apply it to my face in a circular motion. Okay, so if you want this to be more, like if you don't want to see these little chunks of aloe vera gel or of the clay, you can kind of put the clay in with the aloe vera and just put it all in a NutriBullet. So then it will be super smooth. And then you can use a makeup brush and just apply it. But I like it rough and rugged like this, because then when it dries, like I can feel, I like it like this. I'll be making 4 more of these masks using aloe vera, so I'll be uploading those all this week. So definitely subscribe, comment, like, and share. I'm going to upload one again on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Like I said, I have a photo shoot and I need to get my face on point. So I'm going to be doing a lot of masks and scrubs and that type of stuff to make sure I get my face on point. So 15 minutes later, you want to sit and just let it dry. When it dries, it should look something like this. It is so stiff on my face, I cannot talk. I cannot move my face. I'm just going to sit, relax, and wait another couple more minutes. You want to go ahead and wash your face with warm water and then finish it off with cold water, pat dry, and then use your favorite moisturizer. I kind of don't use moisturizer when I wash my face, and I use my soap and stuff to wash my face. I use a foaming product to wash my face. I tend to use coconut oil. That's my go-to thing. So I don't really have a moisturizer that I use, which is kind of cray-cray, but it's okay. It's been working for me for many years. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some olive oil in my hands. Coconut oil in my hands. Olive oil would work too if you want to put that on your face. Okay, and I'm just going to rub that on. When I put my coconut oil on, I like to massage under my neck, because if there's one thing that can tell your age, is your hands and your neck. So my goal is to look 10 years younger for this photo shoot. So I'm also making sure I take care of my neck and then my entire face. Ooh, I got a lot of oil on here, but that's okay. I can take some off later. But that's it. That's pretty much it. So this is what my face looks like once I am finished using this clay mask. So this is it. I'm gonna come in a little bit. You guys know I really don't like to zoom in. I don't like to do too much zooming in and too much selfies, but here you go. This is my skin. It looks really radiant and it feels very, very soft. I really love it. It feels soft, and by me massaging my face with the coconut oil, it's causing more of the blood in my face to kind of move around, and then it's plumping up my face as a result. So I love to also do some massage on the face. So this is my final look. So this is what it looks like. So like I mentioned to you guys, please like, comment, and share. I will be posting 4 more facial masks this week, so you don't want to miss it.